die. No normal fighter has ever beaten the Tai Chi, and many have died trying. And yet, the Tai Chi expert is not completely invulnerable. There is always one weak point, both in the learner and in the master. With the body's 108 strategic points, the vulnerable point can be moved at will.
You wanna fight?
Yeah?
Fight me.
That's the Crane style.